Hello? Hello?
Teacher.
Yes, hello. Good evening. How are you today?
I'm fine.
Okay, have you already eaten your dinner?
Yes.
Okay. So what did you eat today? Okay, so here again, I have to request with you, but still you never forward your homework. What happened? You forgot to send your homework in the Zalo?
Yeah.
Oh, can you please send it now? Can you please send your homework? Please, please send your homework in the Zalo, please. I will check.
Check.
Yes, I sent to you a homework in the Zalo. Did you make already your homework?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you send it to me in the Zalo? Can you send that in the Zalo?
Yes.
Okay.
Um.
So that I can check also. So it is all done. Oh, I never. Where is your homework? I said your homework.
Okay. I am Sandy.
Okay, yes. Okay, thank you. Okay.
No.
Okay, have you already sent it?
No. 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 No.
Not sure.
na mayroon tayong 5 bagay na hindi dapat ginagawa pagkatapos natin kumain. 5 lang ang tatandaan nyo. S, 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 F, D. Ang unang S ay ang sleep. Bawal matulog pagkatapos kumain.
Okay, so we will wait your homework next meeting, okay? Um, okay, you cannot send that.
No. Sorry. Photo.
Okay, wait in a minute.
Yes.
Okay, you can send also your homework. If you cannot send that, okay, so next time I will not give you also a homework, because if I will give you a homework, it is very useless, right? Because you never give a time to make your homework. Homework is very important. Why? That is what to review. Okay, okay.
I could take a picture.
Mm-hmm. But have you already answered it?
Yes, I answered. Oh, yes.
Okay, so here as I check, still no homework. Okay, it is okay. It's up to you already if you will make your homework or not. As long as I give you a homework. So a homework gives you to have a review. Okay? So now let's move on. Okay, so last meeting we discussed our lesson is all about teenage pressure. So what do you mean by teenage pressure? That is when you grow up, you have many wants, likes, needs, right? So as a young, Okay, this is your needs, or this is how you pressure yourself, right? So let's move on. Okay, at your young age, do you like to be that your hair will be straight? Okay, hello.
Yes.
Okay, I have a question. Please answer my question. Um, as a young age, do you like that your hair is have a straight hair, or you like to straighten your hair?
Straight hair.
Yeah, straight or straighten. Straight.
Straight.
Yes. Do you like that
Um.
your hair is very straight?
Okay. Mm,
Do you like that your hair is straight as of now? As straight.
yes.
Yes, so that is first pressure. How about do you like to have always take a selfie? Take a selfie.
No.
Do you you don't like it?
Yes.
Okay, why?
Because
Okay, you're too young. Okay, so here, what are the people doing? Use the phrases below. Okay, so here, first, okay, what is that number one? Can you please answer?
one, or strengthen your hair.
Okay, number one is straighten your hair. Do you like it?
Yes.
Okay, next, number two.
To um take your selfie.
Okay, take a selfie. Very good. Number three.
Three. Go with training.
Okay, training. Okay, go wait on training. How about, do you like to go in training?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, do you like it? Number four.
Or makeup.
Okay, so we have put a makeup. How about putting a makeup?
Uh, or
Yes?
yeah.
Okay, so straighten her hair, take a selfie, go weight training, then put on makeup. Okay, so let's move on vocabulary. Go, please get your pen and paper so that you can have a copy. Are you done copying?
Yes, teacher. I try posting again.
Okay, yes. I already received the photo. Okay.
Mm.
So what is possible?
Possible. Tasks can be done for each.
Okay, so possible is that can be done or achieved. Again, that can be done, or achieved. Okay, next.
Impossible.
Impossible. So what is impossible? Okay, what is the meaning of impossible?
Uh, Impossible. Thus cannot exist, exist or be
Okay,
done
that
possible.
cannot exist or be done, not possible. Okay, again, that cannot exist or be done or not possible. How about celebrity?
Mm,
Okay, what is
Three
that?
performers. Um,
A famous person.
this person.
Okay, celebrity is a famous person. What is a male?
Um, they
Okay, what is that male? What have you understand about male?
um, yeah,
That's a boy. Okay, a male person, animal, or a plant. Okay, male, that's a boy. How about female?
male,
Okay,
female
girl.
person.
Okay. Yes, a woman or a girl. So our vocabulary today is possible, impossible, celebrity, male, female. Okay? Possible, okay, impossible, celebrity, male, and female. Okay, next, please copy and then please tell me if you are done. Just tell me if you are done.
No,
Are you done?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the meaning of artificial?
Difficult.
Okay, what is artificial?
Artificial made product to copy nature, not real.
Okay, so made or produced to copy natural, not real. Okay, so how about ordinary?
Ordinary.
What do have you understand about ordinary?
Not different. Not unusual. Different. In any way.
Okay, how about special?
Special, not ordinary, or usual, different from what is normal.
Okay, next.
Special, something that is not usual,
Okay.
able, but is provide in nature. Not
Okay,
made.
provided a particular purpose and on one occasion. Okay, so we will end first and then we will come back again, okay?
Yeah.